Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an interface in Airtable in 2024. Of course, interfaces allow you to design custom layouts for viewing interfacing with your Airtable data. So I'll guide you through a step-by-step process of creating a functional and visually appealing interface for your projects. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. All you need to do here, just type airtable.com and hit the enter button. It's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page, which is going to be the home page for you. Here, you can go to the top right corner, click on sign in to sign in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, click on sign up for free. You can use, as an example, a Google account or Apple ID if you don't want to go through all the boring steps creating or even logging into your account. You can use one of those. You can also use this option of a single sign-on if you want to just use Airtable once and export whatever you've done. Maybe create a database and export it, and you're not going to use it again. You don't want it to be saved. That. So once you're logged in, of course, you'll find yourself here, which is home. As you can see, if you don't have a workspace yet, make sure to go to this left panel, click on plus, create a workspace, and just simply give it a name. It will be created. Now you can go and start creating your bases. For me, as you can see, I already have a workspace ready. And of course, you have four options to create bases because inside the bases, you can create like automations, interface, and multiple stuff. So here, you can either go and start from scratch, quickly upload, starts with the templates or start with AI. I'll go through all of them as an example very quickly. So start from scratch, you'll start with everything is empty, with a small table that you can delete. As an example, in here it will be even created. So other than that, you can quickly upload something from like a tool somewhere. So if you go and click on that, so you can see you have multiple tools to upload from or to import from. If you didn't find what you want in here, you can simply just go and click on submit request, scroll down to others, and simply ask for whatever you want to be added. As an example, if you want to share anything else, make sure to share it. Then click on submit. Other than that, you can go and choose one of the templates that they have. They have multiple templates as an example. So I guess you'll find what you want in here. So they have, as example, project management templates. They have marketing templates. They have product templates. They have sales and CRM templates, HR and recruiting templates. A lot of templates. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find load more categories. The same again. Let's just scroll down, you'll find load more categories and etc. So choose whatever suits you. Of course, if you didn't like any of these three options, you can simply start with AI and choose something specific for you. AI will create like a template for you. You can choose an example or tell them what you want. As an example, maybe create a database. You can also add the organization name, industry, audience, and choose the colors example if you want to. And those top as an example, it seems like not available for free plan, so we'll need the team plan, but it's fine. I guess those are enough already. So yeah, then click on next, and as you can see, you'll have to sit tight, wait a little bit, and it will create everything for you. You'll even see the preview once this finished in here, and you can make some adjustments on it if you. Then, of course, you can start using it. So, as an example, make all the adjustment that you want, remove what you want, add what you want. You can even add your own as an example. And yeah, you can preview it, then create the app or basically the base to start using it. Me, I'm not going to do so because I have multiple. So just go and access a base as example, and here where I'll find myself. So to create an interface on Airtable, we'll need to go to the top in here. So we'll find data, automation, interfaces and form. So for us, we'll just go and click on interfaces. So once you click on interfaces, as you can see, we'll find ourselves in here. So tailor your app or your app, as you can see, to your team workflows. Get your app ready to share by customizing data, just in appearance, and setting the right permission. So you can take it for example. If you don't know what interface is, as you can see, you can from here structure your app the way you want. We pre-configured your app with pages you can add, remove, or rearrange them. As example, you can see you'll find like I have already an interface here. Why? Because I started this from template, so it had everything. You'll find that as well if you choose, as example, one of the template that they have, or even with AI. As example, this from here you can power your app with data, and you'll use data basically tab to import and organize the data in your app and control how it's connected. Other than that, you'll find this save time by automating repetitive tasks. From here, as an example, you can adjust settings for pre-configured app automations and add your own. And lastly, as an example, or not lastly, here you can publish and share your app when it's ready. You can invite team members to collaborate as editors or commenters, or give like some read-only access to finish to your finished apps. And basically, here you can get help whenever you need it. Have a question while building your app? Search for support articles and resources to get the answers you're looking for. As example, it's as simple as that. So in here, basically, you already have an interface. So to create your own interface for me, I'll just go back in here and start from scratch. So as example, here I'll just go to interfaces. As you can see, I have nothing in here. So I'll just go and click on start building. Create an interface. As example, I'll just go here and click on build interface. You can name it whatever you want, give it whatever icon you want. Example, maybe this one, click on next. And as you can see, you can choose the layout for your interface. Maybe I want to choose a dashboard. Of course, you'll be able to see how does it look on mobile and desktop as well. If you want to choose another thing, it's up to you. You can even start from scratch. So here, I'll just go and choose the table that will get data from. For me, I just created this from blank, so I have no tables, but it's fine. I'll just go and click finish. And as you can see, I have my interface ready. I just created an interface in Airtable, and now it's basically up to you to fill it up with data. So this dashboard will show you an example data and etc. I already have it like ready in somewhere else to show you how this looks like. So basically, it's how you create it, and how to fill it. It's actually up to you. So as an example, let's just go to this as an example interface. And yeah, so in this interface example, I have this projects overview, project timeline, and things. I have here some tasks, an example. So my interface is this. And as you can see, nothing is published at the moment. Of course, I can publish it whenever I'm ready. For example, I have even here a dashboard. And this is my interface example. So I have some lead, medium, low, medium, high. I don't know what's this data. I just get it from this template. And I don't know what it actually does, but I just show you how to create interface. And that's going to be it for me today. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.